Hello guys, I hope all is good. Today we check out opening the hi-hat and include this beautiful chick sound in our grooves. We go for the two most common placements, which are either the 8th note after a bass drum or a snare drum stroke. I made it a bit challenging by choosing a busy groove, so we get used to applying this technique to a real-world example already. But you might want to just play the rhythm first and leave out opening the hi-hat to familiarize yourself with the groove first. We have almost the same groove in both bars, except for the two bass drums in the second bar. And after the last snare drum, there we open the hi-hat with the next stroke and close it on the one of the next measure again. When opening the hi-hat, I tend to do it heel down, which means I roll my foot back on its heel and this way release the spring-loaded hi-hat pedal. You might also go heel up about it. I just feel like I'm more stable with heel down. It usually works best to not focus on opening but closing the hi-hat with the next stroke. If you don't get a real chick sound, you might try to start your movement sooner for closing your hi-hat on the one. And if your hi-hat sounds washy and messy, you might try to start your movement rather later. We go with two speeds, 60 and 90 BPM. Alright everyone, well done. We now add a second opening of our hi-hat in the first measure, on the end of 3, which means the stroke after a bass drum. This position is common as well, but might feel a bit odd at first. We give it a try again at two speeds, 60 and 90 BPM. Great done, everyone. It probably feels a bit messy still, and the quality of the chick sound might vary by a lot. This is perfectly fine. To optimize the opening sound of the hi-hat is a process which takes a longer time, and this process you now just started. Enjoy the journey and keep on practicing. That's it for now. Have a great day and see you next time.